In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Slime Rancher VR on your Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and play Slime Rancher on an Oculus Quest 2 in virtual reality. This will also work with any other virtual reality headset. So this will be done using mods because officially the game is not available in VR. There is the VR playground, but this isn't going to be the entire game. So to make the entire game playable in virtual reality, you will need to download the Slime Rancher VR mod. Alongside this, you will need the MetaQuest Link application to connect and set up your headset, Steam VR to run the game in virtual reality, and the Slime Rancher mod loader, which is going to be used to actually get the option to install the mod. So let's go in order. First of all, I recommend installing Slime Rancher mod loader. So this will give you a zip file containing an executable, and you will drop this inside of the game folder. Also, go ahead and download MetaQuest Link. This will allow you to set up your headset. You will connect your headset to your PC using either a cable or AirLink, which is done using your Wi-Fi connection. I highly recommend using a cable because it is going to eliminate latency, but if you want to do it wirelessly, then you can use AirLink. Inside of the MetaQuest Link app, go over to the devices, choose Add Headset, and follow the instructions here. Choose between the methods for your Oculus Quest 2, and once it is added and has this status symbol indicating that it is properly set up, now it's time to use the mod loader. So like I said before, you will receive a zip file containing an executable. Drop this executable inside of where the game is installed. For most people, it is going to be Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and Slime Rancher. If you are not sure, right-click Slime Rancher on Steam and then browse local files. Once you drop it in here, you can run the executable, and it is going to create this Slime Rancher mod load folder. Now, what you have to do is actually get the DLL for the Slime Rancher VR mod. So look for this mod on Nexus, Mods, click on download, log in if you aren't already signed into an account. You will receive a DLL. So now, drop the DLL from Slime Rancher VR inside of the mods folder. So go to SRML mods and then drop it here. I'm using another DLL as an example, but you will of course drop the VR mod DLL here instead. Once you have the DLL loaded, the last thing that you need to make sure that you have is Steam VR. This is a free tool available on Steam, so you click the option to download, have it installed. Now, don't run Steam VR right away. First, you will run the game without Steam VR, so run it once, and as you can see here, it is going to patch the game. A console program will then run to patch the game. Let this process finish. After it is done, then you can run Steam VR, and the next time that you open the game with the headset connected and with the mod properly working and patched, you will be able to play in virtual reality. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.